So I've been with Stewart Clague Services now for just over a year. We've been doing a massive array of different projects, from up at the hospital, in the theatres, to office buildings in Douglas, and to schools, as well as private households and dwellings as well. So the variety is massive. We've got loads of fantastic opportunities to do loads of different aspects of the building industry. Here we've got quite a big project really from start to finish. We've got a new air handling unit going on the roof for the aircon side, and we've got a whole new plant room, new boilers, expansion vessels, and all the relevant pipe work. So it's been quite a big job, ripping everything out, getting all the new pipe work and components in, and yeah, we're almost there.
You've got to be aware of the busy times for the staff, and we just work around them. Sometimes we'll come in early to get an evolution done, or late at night, and then we're out of the way of the staff if we've got any sort of heavier work or dusty stuff. So yeah, no problems.
There's been a bigger scope of works than some of the other smaller plant rooms we've done. So I've had the opportunity to work by myself with guidance and really get hands-on myself, and I've had that opportunity here. Brian and Rich, they're fantastic. They've got loads of experience between the two of them, both in different aspects of the building trade, and I'm learning it all, soaking it all up, and trying to make the most of it while I can.
Apprentice, yeah, that's difficult for me to say because I look after him most of the time, but yeah, he's probably up there with the best we've had. Yeah. So yeah, pleasure to work with.